Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome and happy to be back. I am today. It's 3rd of July, and let's get right down to it. And we have three positions still currently inside. One's making profit, the other two is making some losses. Good to know, and that we'll review them along the way. So let's go. So first up is a trade that I long it. I bought it yesterday. So trend is up. That's why we look to buy. Um, Red line is flat, so not the best, but as long as it's looking, there's a room for it to start turning up, which we look at through the blue line, and yes, it is looking potentially looking to come down, so within the margin of error, so looking to actually start to turn back up. So that's why we long. So no cause of concern for this trade, even though we're making a bit of losses, which is totally fine. So that's for Aussie dollar. If you guys have not bought it, it's a definite buy for me. So you can buy Aussie dollar. Cotton cash went back up, and yesterday had a strong up day as well, so very nice trend up, red and blue all up, so very interesting to see. We actually missed this trade, but great trade if you guys have put it in. I didn't put this trade initially because of the small account value, so we had to miss this trade, but it's fine. I mean, we will lose trades here and there, but glad that I was right on this trade in terms of the analysis, so I am happy as well. Just that we didn't take it, so yeah, but nonetheless, if you guys want to look to whether should you guys buy or not, my take is that because it's at its recent high, doesn't mean it will not go higher. Just means that it might take a pause. It might pause for a couple of days. So you see, this high is like all-time kind of a high pricing. So it might pause over the next couple of days, like probably sideways or a flat kind of looking. So yeah, but it could go higher. That's what I'm saying. So I think I would take a pause from here for now first. Yeah, because kind of like missed the first wave, right? But I'll probably wait for a couple of days before looking to buy even more. So that's my take on cotton. For Euro Yen, we bought as well, so trend is up. Red is flat, blue is down. So, however, if price continues to stay around this area without going too low, and also because it's kind of like a recent low, as long as it doesn't get as low as this, so we could actually see that the red line will start turning up over the next 3 to 5 days. So, in fact, let me see, it could be even lesser than that, so over the next 3 days maybe. So yeah, I was this good trade to be taking. I will still buy. If you guys have not, you can also buy. So that's for Euro Yen. Euro dollar we bought as well. Trend up, red line is down, kind of flattening. Blue line is down. So same thing. It is actually within the margin of error to kind of start to turn up. So this one will take also about a couple of days. So 3 days on average. So by next week we should start to see it turn up. So with the stop loss over here, with price hits this area, means that it's so wrong, then we just have to get out and take a loss from that. I like this stop loss, it's good, and can still look to buy if you guys have not. Pound yen flat, so we'll skip that. Pound dollar, we are seeing a flat market. So don't see anything changing for now. It's just whipsawing and flip flop. It's just whipsawing. So don't see any opportunity unless price starts to run away and takes off these lower numbers. That wouldn't happen over the next 3 weeks at least for that to happen. So no trades at the moment. We'll just stay on the sidelines. For gold, trend is up. Red is flat-ish, and then blue line is down. So over the next couple of days, it will take off the higher numbers, take off the lower numbers, and then over here, higher numbers, sorry. And from there, we will see across a market where it's not the strongest cross, and it's in the strong cross current. So therefore, its prices start to chop around here. So yeah, don't really like this market. And bearish divergence played out, right? and then now who have probably sit in a bit of profits if you guys have taken the trade. So wouldn't buy, wouldn't sell as well. I think just observe for this one. Heating oil is trend is up, but not the strongest up. Red line is flat, and then as well as over here, there isn't any margin for it to start to go strongly up or down. So no trade. We'll skip that. Natural gas, we are. What the hell is this? What's this? How do I get rid of this? Oh gosh, what did I do? Okay, I don't know what that is, but anyway, it's flat, and yeah, nothing we can do. We don't see that thing changing anytime soon, so we'll skip for natural gas. The loonies, loonies is on the downtrend. Red line is flat, blue line is flat, and we don't see it turning down anytime soon. It's just hovering around these blue lines, taking off these numbers, this line number. So yeah, don't see that happening for the trade to happen. But yeah, it's just a difficult trade, especially if you take off these numbers over here and then price stays around here. It's not going to turn down. It's just going to be like flat kind of a thing. So yeah, so there isn't a strong red line trending, so it's hard to take a trade in terms of the anticipation, although it's taking off the numbers around this higher numbers. But there isn't that bandwidth for me to have a red line to start turning strongly down, so we can't take a trade from here. So yeah, that's it for positions for these three markets. So if you guys have not bought, it would be all buy signals from Aussie dollar, Euro yen, and Euro dollar. So these are these three markets that we could buy. So yes, that's all. Subscribe. Let me know what markets you'd like me to cover, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye bye.